Hello.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
How many people?
3?
Do you have a reservation?
Yes.
Okay, what is the last four digits of your booking reference?
Ito yung maximum natin is 11. Kaya dito tayo nilagay.
Ayan, yun yata yung number ng sasakyan. Yun yata yung number ng sasakyan.
Binibilang tayo ay 89. They have to know how many cars. Siyempre, kailangan din natin malaman. Para pagka nawawala ang competition natin. Maximum of 20 kilometers per hour.
Follow. Ma, look.